In this video, we're going to see a woman in an SUV run over a kid with a bicycle. So these cars come to a stop at a crosswalk, but the car behind this SUV, she decides she doesn't want to wait for these cars at the crosswalk. So she's just going to speed right past and ends up clipping her kid here with a bicycle. This is why it's always so important to wait. If a car in front of you stopped, there's a reason that they stopped. So be patient and come to a stop. And this is also a lesson that we can take from the pedestrian over here to the kid. They trusted that since these cars stopped, they are safe to walk across the crosswalk. But as they popped out of the view of this van, they should have checked to make sure that there were no cars here. So don't just look both ways when you're entering the street when you're about to cross, but whenever you're entering a vacant area in a road. So it's going to be up to us to watch your own back. According to our driver here, the lady in the SUV did come back and admitted fault. So thankfully she took responsibility and the kid turned out not to be hurt too bad. This was a scary situation, so let's all be more patient, safer, more responsible drivers.